Namaskar. My name is Ankit Tiwari and you're watching Ankit Yoga. And in this channel, I'm explaining about yogic ancient knowledge, about yogic text, about Indian culture and tradition, and related material. So now let's begin. And today's topic is Yoga Sutra. So first of all, yoga. So literal meaning of yoga is union. So union of body, mind and soul is yoga. And yoga is an experiential science. So you can experience the ultimate truth, or you become free if you're on path of yoga. And yoga is a part of Shad Darshan. Shad Darshans are 6 great Indian philosophies which are Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshik, Purva Mimamsa and Uttar Mimamsa. Sankhya deal with knowledge. Nyaya and Vaisheshik is more about logical explanation and logical stuff. Purva and Uttar Mimamsa is more about spiritual things and related stuff. And yoga is about practical things. Means if you are on the path of logical finding, if you are on the path of spiritual stuff, if you are on the path of gyan, knowledge, but if you want to experience, then you need to come on the path of yoga. That much important is yoga. Yoga is the only path which is practical. Okay. Now sutra. So what is sutra? Sutra means, literal meaning is thread. Sutra means like a coded language, like E is equal to mc square. If you want to feel the essence of quantum mechanics, you need to decode the sutra. E is equal to mc square. Same like if you want to decode the knowledge of yoga, you need to learn Yoga Sutras. So maximum knowledge in minimum word. There are only 3 verbs in all 195 formulas. So that much compact knowledge in Yoga Sutra. And around 400 before Common Era, Maharshi Patanjali compiled Yoga Sutra. Maybe because Kali Yuga start and people memory become less, reduced. So people are not able to learn lots of yogic knowledge. Yoga is a very vast knowledge in Vedas, in Puranas, in tradition. But he compiled all yogic knowledge in a sequence, in a coded form. So it preserved, and in future generation, like in modern time, we easily learn this tradition or this philosophy. So that much important is Yoga Sutra. That's why it is also known as Patanjali Yoga Sutra. In one tradition, it is known as, means they believe that Hiranyagarbha gave Yoga Sutra in starting of this universe. But lots of scholars believe that Yoga Sutra was compiled by Maharshi Patanjali. And there are lots of stories about Maharshi Patanjali, and there is one king who is also wrote commentary on a Yoga Sutra around 11th century, and he gave one slok to praise Maharshi Patanjali, and the slok is Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sariram Cha Vadyakena Yopagarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjalim Ranatosmi. It means I bow down to sage Patanjali, who gave the knowledge of yoga to purify the mind, Vyakarana or grammar to purify your vocabulary, and Ayurveda for purification or treatment of your physical body. So Maharshi Patanjali time period is around 400 BC. Some scholar believe first century, some scholar believe 4th century, some people believe 4000 year back. Time is different or time may vary, but his content is important. That's why he have the godly place in the in yogic field, because he did a great work. And in modern time the base of yoga is on Yoga Sutras. That much important Yoga Sutra are. And in Yoga Sutra there are 195 formulas and 4th chapter, which is known as Samadhi Path, 51 sutras, Sadhan Path, 55 sutras, Vibhuti Path, 55 sutras, and Kaivalya Path, 34 sutras mentioned by Maharshi Patanjali. In Samadhi Path, Maharshi Patanjali explained about yoga, about concept of Ishwar, about Chitta Prasadhan, Chitta Vritti, etc. etc. In Sadhan Path, he explained about Kriya Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Yam, Niyam, etc. etc. In Vibhuti Path, he explained about Dhyan, Samadhi, about Siddhis, psychic powers. In Kaivalya Path, he explained about how you attain Siddhis, and he on the path of Kaivalya. And this Yoga Sutra is so important that if you are on the path of yoga, you need to learn Yoga Sutra. And in this series, I will decode Yoga Sutra for you in an easy language, so everybody can learn Yoga Sutra. Hope you like this video, and if you learn something new through this video, just give me thumbs up, or give me just click on like button. And if you not subscribed this channel yet, you can subscribe this channel also. And if you learn something and if you want to share, don't stop yourself, just share this video to your friend and family members, because everybody need to learn yoga or Yoga Sutras. So this is introduction of Yoga Sutra, and in future videos I will explain each and every sutras, and I will try to explain on a daily basis, so you can learn these Yoga Sutras. Thank you. Dhanyawad.